Welcome to the Machine. AI is here. Video games. Level up your game. AI is changing the game. AI's got game current applications in video game development. Leveling up the playing field. AI-powered gameplay enhancements. AI's role in crafting dynamic games. Let's be real, gamers. Section 2, Evolving Worlds, the dawn of AI-generated games. Hold on to your joysticks, gamers, because we're about to enter a whole new level of meta. AI as the game designer. Gamers, time to swap out those rose-tinted VR goggles for a dose of reality. While AI is revolutionizing gaming, it's not all sunshine and epic boss battles. Even the smartest AI faces game-breaking bugs and glitches. AI needs serious computing power. It's not a magical code-conjuring genie. AI development is time-consuming and resource-intensive. We're talking processors with more cores than a cob of corn, graphics cards that could melt steel, and enough RAM to make a supercomputer jealous. And even with all that hardware muscle, AI development is still a time-consuming and resource-intensive process. Training AI models to do things like generate realistic dialogue, create believable NPC behavior, or procedurally generate entire worlds takes time, data, and a whole lot of trial and error. It's like teaching a digital puppy to fetch, only the puppy is made of code, and instead of drool, it leaves behind cryptic error messages. Then there's the issue of cost. Developing and implementing cutting-edge AI technology doesn't come cheap. It's a bit like trying to build a real-life Iron Man suit in your garage. Even if you have the technical know-how, you're going to need Tony Stark-sized budget to make it happen, and that means smaller indie developers, the unsung heroes of innovative gaming, might struggle to keep up with the AI arms race. But hey, it wouldn't be a challenge if it were easy, right? The good news is that the tech is constantly evolving, becoming more powerful and accessible all the time. So while we might not be playing AI-designed games on our smartphones just yet, the future of AI in gaming is looking brighter than a loot box filled with legendary gear. Let's dive into the philosophical implications of handing over creative reins to AI. When machines design games, we step into a moral gray area. A major concern is AI bias. AI is only as good as its training data. Flawed data leads to flawed AI output. Imagine AI-designed games perpetuating harmful stereotypes, not the immersive experience we want. Player agency is crucial. Gaming is about freedom and choice. What if AI predicts and manipulates our choices? Does it enhance or undermine gaming? What about game developers? Will they be replaced by AI, or will AI augment their creativity? These are complex questions. We must ensure gaming's future is ethical, inclusive, and enjoyable. Human element: can AI really replace game developers? Will robots steal our favorite game developers' jobs? The short answer, probably not. AI can do amazing things. It can analyze data, generate code, and design levels efficiently, but the creative spark and artistic vision are human. Think about your favorite games. What makes them special? The heart, humor, and emotional resonance. Game development is more than code. It's about storytelling and creating lasting experiences. AI is a powerful tool, but it can't replace human passion and creativity. Human developers bring heart and soul to games, something AI can't replicate yet. All right, gamers, enough with the theoretical mumbo jumbo. Let's talk about some real-world examples of AI kicking digital butt and taking names in the gaming world, because while we're busy debating whether AI will steal our jobs or become our benevolent overlords, there are already games out there that are using AI in some seriously impressive ways. First up, we've got the granddaddy of AI-powered gaming, Last of Us Part 2. This critically acclaimed action-adventure game isn't just a masterpiece of storytelling and gameplay, it's also a shining example of how intelligent enemy AI can elevate the entire gaming experience. The enemies in this game aren't just mindless bullet sponges, they're cunning, adaptable, and downright terrifying. These AI-controlled foes will flank you, flush you out of cover, and even coordinate attacks like a pack of highly trained digital ninjas. They'll remember your tactics and adapt their strategies accordingly, making every encounter a tense and unpredictable battle of wits. It's like playing hide and seek with a group of super intelligent, bloodthirsty robots, but in a good way, we promise. And let's not forget about Red Dead Redemption 2, another game that's chock full of AI goodness. This sprawling Wild West epic doesn't just boast a massive open world, it also features some of the most believable and reactive NPCs ever seen in a video game, from the grizzled cowboys to the gossiping townsfolk. Every character in this game feels like they have their own life, their own motivations, and their own secrets. You can interact with these NPCs in countless ways, striking up conversations to challenging them to duels, not recommended, for the faint of heart. And thanks to the game's advanced AI systems, they'll remember your actions and react accordingly, for better or for worse. Section 2, level up your knowledge. Now, in companies pioneering AI in gaming. Now that we've met some of the AI all-stars of the gaming world, let's take a look behind the digital curtain and meet the companies that are pushing the boundaries of AI development and shaping the future of gaming as we know it. First on our list is the gaming behemoth itself, Ubisoft. These guys are known for their sprawling open world games like Assassin's Creed and Far Cry, but they're also at the forefront of AI innovation in gaming. Ubisoft has been investing heavily in AI research and development, creating tools and technologies that are changing the way games are made and played. One of their most notable projects is the LaForge Initiative, a research and development department dedicated to exploring the potential of AI in gaming, from AI-assisted animation tools to procedural generation systems that can create entire worlds with the click of a button. Ubisoft is paving the way for a future where games are more immersive, dynamic, and downright mind-blowing than ever before. But they're not the only ones in the AI game. Electronic Arts, EA, another gaming giant, has also been making waves with its AI research. They've developed AI systems that can analyze player behavior, predict in-game events, and even create personalized gaming experiences tailored to each player's unique preferences. And let's not forget about Unity Technologies, the company behind the Unity game engine, which is used by countless indie and AAA developers worldwide. Unity has been adding more and more AI tools and features to its engine, making it easier than ever for developers of all sizes to integrate AI into their games. Let's take a wild leap into the future of AI-powered games. What exciting new AI-powered games are on the horizon? AI Dungeon 2 uses OpenAI's GPT-3 to create dynamic narratives, type anything, and AI crafts a unique story. Microsoft Flight Simulator uses AI for real-time weather and traffic. It creates a realistic representation of our planet. Future of AI gaming is wide open, full of possibilities. Section 1, the AI revolution. It's not a game. Well, actually it is, so there you have it, gamers. We've journeyed through the digital landscapes of AI and video game development, from its humble beginnings as clunky enemy AI to its potential to become the game master itself. It's been a wild ride, full of exciting possibilities, and maybe a few, wait, can it really do that, moments. We've seen how AI is already changing the game, literally with smarter NPCs, procedurally generated worlds, and adaptive difficulty settings that keep us on the edge of our seats. We've explored the mind-blowing potential of AI to craft dynamic narratives, generate entire games on the fly, and maybe even give human game designers a run for their money. Don't worry, your jobs are safe for now. But we've also talked about the challenges, the ethical dilemmas, and the importance of keeping the human touch in a world increasingly dominated by algorithms. Because let's face it, as much as we love the idea of AI-powered games that can read our minds and cater to our every whim, we still want those games to feel, well, human. The future of AI in gaming is a bit like that final boss battle, exciting, unpredictable, and maybe a little bit terrifying. But one thing's for sure, it's a journey we're all on together, gamers, developers, and those AI overlords in training. And who knows, maybe with a little collaboration, dash of creativity, and a whole lot of bug testing, we can create a future where AI and gaming coexist in perfect pixelated harmony. The future of AI in video game development. As we stand at the precipice of this brave new world of AI-powered gaming, one question looms larger than a loot-filled dungeon. What's next? Will we see games where the line between player and AI blurs beyond recognition? Will AI become our digital dungeon master, crafting personalized gaming experiences tailored to our deepest desires and maybe even our darkest fears? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, gaming industry is no stranger to innovation. From the pixelated arcades of the 80s to the immersive virtual worlds of today, gaming has always been at the forefront of technological advancement. And AI is just the latest and perhaps most transformative tool in the developer's arsenal. So buckle up, gamers, and get ready for a future where the only limit is our imagination and maybe the processing power of our gaming rigs. The future of AI in video game development is here, and it's time to level up our expectations. Who knows, maybe one day we'll look back on the games of today with the same nostalgic fondness we reserve for those pixelated classics of our youth. And those future gamers, raised on a steady diet of AI-generated worlds and dynamic narratives, will marvel at how we ever survived without our digital overlords guiding our every move. But for now, let's just enjoy the ride. The future of gaming is intelligent, immersive, and always evolving, and that's something worth getting excited about, even if it means we have to occasionally share our pizza rolls with a sentient AI.